Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the new features available in version 2025. Version 2025 has added powerful enhancements to Tabs 3 billing, including updates to pre-bill tracking and statement generation that streamline your billing workflow and increase efficiency. When you generate a statement in Tabs 3 billing, you'll notice a new statement type called pre-bill. This new option updates the pre-bill tracking window to include a clickable link that lets you view the contents of a pre-bill during the review process. From the pre-bill tracking window, drilling down to a pre-bill allows you to see the contents of the pre-bill, make edits to transactions, add new fees and costs, and more. Additionally, we've enhanced security for transactions on pre-bills, ensuring that when a pre-bill has been created, its transactions can only be edited by those reviewing the pre-bill. Once you've finalized your pre-bill, transactions on the pre-bill are locked in and can only be edited by unbilling the statement. The Take Action pane allows you to streamline common tasks such as adding fees or costs, undoing pre-bills, writing the statement up or down, and finalizing statements. Comments can be added next to statements to help streamline the review process. In addition, when using Tabs 3 Pay, your statements can now include QR payment codes for added client convenience. This feature makes it easy for your client to access the payment portal right from their phone. Over in Practice Master, a new document preview feature has been added to the snapshot pane from any document list. Now you can see a preview of the document without having to open the full record, which can save you time. Additionally, when logging into Tabs 3 Connect, you now have the ability to require multi-factor authentication, or MFA, for any and all users. This security feature is an enhancement to the current MFA process, and settings can be found in System Configuration. And if you're using Tabs 3 CRM to streamline your client intake process, enhancements have been made to map client intake fields to your area of practice fields. This makes transferring your data from Tabs 3 CRM to Practice Master more efficient than ever. And if you're looking for a complete practice management solution in the cloud, Practice Master is now available in Tabs 3 Cloud. You can now run your billing, financials, and practice management from anywhere with Tabs 3 Cloud. And those are just some of the features in version 2025. To learn more, check out Knowledge Base article R11975, version 2025 Introduction to New Features at support.tabs3.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.